Mario! In this video I'm going to take a look at roof lines. It is the 18th video and the 10th of them around the floor plan. So let's crack onto it and get back to where we were last time, which is here. Here we are, and we've got all our windows and doors done. So by just doing the roof lines, that's going to complete our exterior, and then we'll move inside and start working on some of the interior stuff. So let's create a new layer here in the layer properties. New layer, and the new layer I'm going to call roof lines. I'll just call it roof lines. Roof lines. And just to give it a bit of a colour for while we're drawing here, I'm just gonna let's go with the old cyan there. Okay, and so we know that that's our roof lines there. And before we go too much further, we need to just click our roof lines. Right, now in this particular case, I can tell you that we've got a 500 push out there, and our offset for the edge of the roof is 600 mils. Remember, that's from the framing line here, so it'd be 600 mils. So there's many ways you can do this. I might just so that I've got lines to work with, just turn off the hatch, the wall hatch, and the brick hatch. Just give us a less complicated situation there. Okay, so yeah, we can just go well, we can just go line from here like that, and that's going to be 600, enter. Right, and then we can just go how we like, really. Go from there to there. That's going to give us that line there. Delete that. We can go line from there, 600. Okay, and that'll give us that line there. Okay, delete that. Delete len, enter dy. Yeah. Okay, and then tr. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I can put a line in here. Line enter. I can try line enter. Down there for the. Can I go 600? Like that. Okay. I think that I just want to check that, like I've done using the extension there. Oh, sorry, I went a bit quiet there. But yeah, I'll just check with the measure here. So it's to measure from there down to there. Yeah, looking down here, that's going to be doesn't look quite what I imagined. I'll try this another way. I'll just do a little circle in here. See, enter 600 radius. Things are not going according to plan here. Delete, I don't know what's going on there. I'm pretty sure I'll try this offset enter. 600. Enter. It's going way down there. Oh, that looks about right. What's going on? Yeah. Okay. So like that. And LEN dynamic. And let's make this here a bit longer. Okay, and let's make this all the way through to here. Like so. I just need to check these dimensions here, just to make sure that it is 600. Let's just draw a line from there through to there. And I need to look at the properties. Yeah, that's 600. Okay, something a little awry went there. Let's just go TR into enter. Well, let's just be a lesson, I suppose, not to be too bloody clever. Alright, that's going through there. Okay, let's just go offset into 600 and boom boom. Okay, okay, and LEN enter, DY enter. Yeah, so there's nothing too spectacular going on here. Pretty simple, just to put those all through like that. Trim it out. Couple of little hiccups there along the way, but you get that. Just got to keep an eye on things, make sure everything's looking all right. Now we all want it to be in that particular layer, so we can just use the match properties really. There. Okay, and then there's a gable end, so it's just a matter of going line and putting one in the middle here. Yeah, through to there. And now the other thing is I've shown it as a dotted line, so we just select them all. Well, we could probably do that by in layer properties, just go with instead of a continuous line for the roof lines. Cancel. I thought I had other options in here. Oh, no, that's the thickness. Cancel. Continuous. Load. Oh, cancel. I thought I had some options there with the one that I'd chosen. I thought. Perhaps okay. I'm going to go. Oh, I don't have them in here. They must have been in my previous plan. So what I have, and I'll go to the design center, so I just push Control 2, which that enables me to go to other plans that I've got, and in my working folder, I've got a basic 2D CAD here, basic 2D CAD drawing there. Okay, and I've got in there some line types that I've used for years and years, and one of them is this line type here called traverse, which there, and this one here is called a buttles. Fence line 4 is always a little handy one, and I can just load them into that drawing from that other drawing. Now, if you want, you can either create your own ones of these, or you can make your own, or if you want to, you can sort of get in contact with me and I'll give you a copy of them. Now what I was going to do is go to layer properties, and I can then change that from continuous to say traverse. Okay, and that now these here should be the line type, but the scale is a bit, we might need to go for a 10. For a 10 scale here. and that gives us the little scale. Well, that might not be enough. Might need to go for 20. I'll go with 10, and I'll see how it goes. Let's just go to match properties. That one there. Yep. And I'll just what I'll do is I will go to the into the paper space just to see what this looks like in paper space. So that's them all done, matched up properties there, and now here's me going to paper space and just putting them in there. Oh, okay. What I'm going to do is what I've done in paper space is I can go to layer properties and I can just change it so that in that viewport everything is white or black and white, or white is the new black, or whatever. So yeah, that can all just close that down there like that. So that's a little bit, 10's a little bit more than I wanted. So maybe if I go back to 1, perhaps we'll see how it goes. 1's not too bad, maybe 2. 2's better. Yeah, so I'm going to have all those as 2. I think so. I'm just going to go with my match properties into here, 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 and here. And there you go. That's the roof line all done. It turned out to be a bit of a mission actually, but there you are. It's all done with a 600mm eaves on it. So that's that done. All good. Cheers. See you.